No, hi guys, hi everybody. Here is another video. All the time I fix something. This one is not fixing. I just replaced my Transgen Drive Pro. Which model is it? 200. Drive Pro 200 with Wi-Fi. My problem was with this. Already I think it's 3 years I use it like that. I'm gonna show you when you plug in the power supply. Just a quick flash and nothing happens. So permanent fix, I know, because how I said it, 3 years, so more than 3 years I use it like that. I'm gonna show you how to turn on this damn thing. Just with one hand, a little bit difficult. You have to unplug, push the power on, and the next to right, these two buttons together. Just push it and oh sorry, and you plug in the power supply, and you see it works. Also I have another one found, also the LCD ribbon cable. I think it's moved or something, because it's little bit negative colors, but the recording it's fine. It's the picture of the recording is how it should be, but on the display it shows like that. Also the menu is, as you can see, is little bit different colors. Now another one thing, if these two buttons, when you push and you plug in the power supply and it not turning on, in most cases this fix when the weather is colder, how I see it, when it's colder it works fine, but when a little bit warmer outside, also if the sun is shining half day on the car, it gets hotter inside in the car, then you can turn on also a button combination. You push the first, you unplug the power supply. So you unplug the power supply, you push this button, you're gonna see the blue light flashes once, release it, push the power button one, as you can see again flash it, and push the power button again and plug it in. I don't know if now it turns on again. So these two buttons, unplug it, again this and this again. So sometimes it turns off, but this works. I use it like that 3 years. I did not have any issue, other issues with them. As you can see now, I'm gonna show you. I plug in again the charger. You see the blue light, it's flashed, but no, now it turned on. How he wants. Now it turned on. Let's see again. You see, it's not turned on. Who wants the ice cream? No, now it's turned on again. So this is the fix, the permanent fix. Just so unplug it, push those two buttons, keep pressed and plug in the power supply, and when you hear the beep, release these two buttons. When it's a little bit warmer outside, also in the car, and won't turn on normally, again these two buttons, unplugged, power supply unplugged, these two buttons, push it together, release it. After that you push the on button 2 times, keep a little bit pressed longer each time, and it's gonna turn on. So as you can see, again nothing. I tried firmware, everything, but did not fix my problem. As you can see, now won't turn on. Sometimes makes, but not each time. I'm gonna try. I don't know how to make. Can I install the camera? No, now I show you again. So push these two buttons together and plug in straight away. Straight away. No. Thanks for watching. I replaced it with a cheaper Cobra. It's okay. No, it's not so, not the best how it was the Transcend, but it does the job. It was cheaper. I don't want to spend again a lot of money after a couple of months gets broken. So again, thanks for watching. I hope I helped. Bye.